Hello? If it wasn't to your attention, I gave up. I am not doing Godot anymore. Apparently, Godot portal guns, if I want to make a portal gun in Godot, that is actually extremely difficult. Who would have known? The person who pretty much never made a game in Godot can't make a portal gun. So that's why I'm switching to a thing that I have a little more experience in. Love2d. It's time. So, Love2d is a game engine that is pure code. I'm going to show you what this looks like. It's pure code. So, what I'm going to do is 0, 0. It is now, the text is now at 0, 0, and it should be worse. So, negative 400. Hello world. That did nothing. How about, that's the y-axis. So, 0, 0, and now I'm going to do 300. What does that look like? Where is it? Oh, because I never saved it. That's why. There we go. That is what I'm talking about. So, is that like, this must be X and this must be Y? Because if the X is 300, the Y would be, so this is where it was before at a random place, but whatever. But if I set it to 0, just 0, nothing. Okay? What if I set this to 200? Save. So, oh, that must be 0. Oh, so I just have to do 0, 0. There, that's good. That's good. So, what should I write? What is the thing I should write now? Like right now? What is it? Hello? Second? That's how you say second. Gay. Bill. So you could also draw pictures, but I'm gonna have to use a lot of the documentation because I'm a noob. So this is what I did. 2 ways. That's how you run it. I don't care because I don't have to run it. I'm good. Just how do I build a game? So, this game. Minimal game, create a folder. So, Love2d doesn't just need, Love2d needs, you don't run a normal thing. You in fact, you run a folder. Hello, Jesse Agnew. So, you don't run a file, you run a folder. If I do ls, actually no, fcd, oh darn it, I need sudo fcd. So I'm in this, love2d is a folder, 2d, and here is the thing, here, main.lua. We have main.lua in a folder. So if you want to make a game, you don't have, you must run a folder. So I made a folder. So here's the good thing about love2d. This is X, and 400 was the one it was before. So 400. That should be in 300. Why not? I'm putting it at the center. Oh, wrong thing. Stopped. love2d. So this is it. Maybe the Y should be a little lower. Like maybe I need to flip flop it. The thing about love2d, actually, I'm gonna show you something. Right. Now, function love.load should load the like things. So A equals 300 and N. Save. Boom, it used a variable. So now if I go function, yeah, that one, tab, love dot, wait, what was it again? Okay. Install Linux because I'm too lazy to type it correctly. Started. love2d. Update. It's I don't need that. Update. A equals A plus 1. No, 1. No, wait, I forgot to add N. Save. And now, let's do that. As you can see, it's going down. And now, we could have gravity. So, if we have A equals A plus A, it gets exponentially. Where is it? Okay, don't do that. Do 1. So, if A is smaller than 600, is smaller than 600, do N. Boom. Did it. Ah, error. Oh, then. Save and load. Then, I said then. Okay, no, wait, it's done. It's done. Do done. Wait, why isn't it working? Why isn't it highlighting? End. Save. Love2d. Then expected near that. What? There's an error there. There's an error there. Okay? It's saved, so I'm just gonna code love2d. Wait. Main.lua open with VSC. Like Geometry Dash, that VSC. Alright, so change all currents. Oh, they have that. Cool. Sick. So on line 8, which is that one, wait, I should indent this. Gotta indent. Save. And THEN. Alright. If statements, I guess. It's if statements. I did not expect I have to do Lua if. The if statement. Apparently I need that. Fun. Oh, I don't need this at all. Save. Now run. Boom. Look. Too much. How about 500? What does 500 look like? Alright. Oh, it stops there. So, 550. How much would 550 be? Alright. 550. 575. Control S and so close. 80. 580. It's 580. That looks like 5 to me. Alright, let's see. So close. Alright. 85. Oh, come on, come on. Yeah! Alright. Now it's time to look at stuff. I'm going to be making a Flappy Bird clone because why not? Keyboard, there. Okay. So, is down key. Alright, what is key? So it's applying a force. So I'm gonna add for, okay, So, when I press space, it's gonna be, what is space? Okay. Another if statement. If love.keyboard, that's not how you spell key, there's gonna be a Y. Still not how you spell it. Is it? Forgotten A. Keyboard is down. Do space. Hopefully that's correct. Space. Then okay, how do I apply gravity? Is that good gravity? Equals A plus A. So now it's gonna double every time. Then A equals A minus A. So what that should do is teleport it to the very top of the screen. Let's see. Error. At whatever that is, and expected to close function. But there's n. There's n here, there's n here. Okay, let's count. Push, pop, push, push, pop, push. Wait, I gotta keep track. Push, push, pop, push, pop, pop. That doesn't make any sense. Alright, I'm gonna remove that. Control S for save. Stop that. love2d. Close function. Okay, so get why? Why not? And do I have to do some? What do I have to do? If then. If then. So this one. By 1 second. Oh, it should be dt. Delta time. Delta time. T minus dt. Okay. love2d expected to end it. Because there is absolutely no this. It's gotta be. Oh shoot. Well, it still worked. Control S. Boom. Come on. Do I have to push this? Push. 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 Alright, now it cannot mess it up. End. I'll say do that. Let's go. Okay. Seems like it's not working. DT. What is DT? I don't understand what they mean. I know it means delta time. See, DT. Okay. -1. 60. 60. Oh, jeez. We gotta wait. This way. Here it is. Alright. Goodbye, Thane. So, I guess that does something. Let's just wait for that. Okay, should take one. This is all very impressive. Watching your progress. Thanks. Oh, yes, it's down. Yay! Okay. What is DT? I know it means delta time, but it doesn't do anything. What DT is it tracks how many seconds. So, so I know what I have to do. DT. I'm gonna put this in brackets because of reasons. Times 100, because DT is a value that tracks the last frame and stuff. So it's minusing by that. So it takes 1 whole second for it to go down. It should take not 10 seconds. It should take 0.0, well, whatever seconds takes to do that. See? It's good. And now it's flying. I'm gonna do that, but with this as well. DT times 100. Hi. That's my mom. So, what it's doing, alright, it's saved. Wait, no, it's not saved. Control S, boom, it's saved. See, it's going down, and then this thing pauses it. So what it should be doing is timesing it by twice. So there was none in there by the time I was supposed to take it. So I placed took one and I put a 1 in there. Walk off. My mom was worried about my medicine and stuff. So what would it be now? Wait, didn't save. Save. Okay. I can either go up or I can either go down. It's still taking a long time and I have ADHD, so we're gonna make it faster. ×2 for both of them. Because it needs to be times by 2. 100 pixels per second, it's not gonna cut it. This, however, it will. It's gonna cut it. It's gonna cut it. So, okay, So it's increase of value while the key is being held down. Is key thingy key? I don't know. So it's showing something keyboard and that stuff. Okay. Is down. It's good. It's pretty good. Oh, yeah, my cursor went big. I'm gonna do. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So what this does is it's applying a force to the character. And what that force does is it makes the character go down, and whenever the space bar is pressed, it goes up. That was okay. And now it's time to see the game examples because that's I don't know. So that is that value right there. That's 2. So oh wait, for the 2 people. Oh, only 1. No. By the time, so it goes down, up, down, that stuff. But you can't. I don't think a Flappy Bird clone would be good if you could just go up and down. Actually, let me think. This reminds me of the way from Geometry Dash, kind of, a bit. Alright. As text input, that stuff. Love. Just gonna search up love, like love2d. Third-party modules, types, general, config files, don't need that yet. Key press, touch. But what are some examples? The documentation is pretty good, but what are its examples? I think if it goes down, up, it goes like do. Only like straight, like a curve. Hold up. So, what if we have, no, that won't work. So, gravity is a force that goes down. And when jump, you apply a force bigger. Gravity minuses that force. So, when the space bar is pressed, just one. So, if it's it's when it's pressed, which would be key pressed. Keyboard, oh well, love2d press. Function when a key is pressed. Okay. Window, keyboard, actually key pressed. So, a new value. Alright, control Z, yeah, great. Touch press and move inside of it and stuff. So, actually, does anybody know there's like some gizmos out there that, like, when you turn them on, it turns it back off. One of those things? Maybe I could use that. So, Actually, wait, no, I have a better idea. It's not going to be a Flappy Bird clone. It's going to be like those no internet dino games. Where is it? Should it though? You could just fly, but how do you make thing? I'm gonna try actively not to wait. Physics? Love2d physics? Oh my god, this is so useful. Get distance, get meter, new body, new circle shape, new world, wheel joints. This is good. But sadly, I don't know when I'm going to use them right now. Unless there's a gravity meter on it. No gravity. First Google search of the day, technically second. Love2d gravity and jump. Oh, jumping in the water. Alright, jumping help. Figured out gravity to work, but jumping. Okay, so the jump height is 200. Oh, whoa! That is flashing lights. Does that stuff. Oh, hey, it's like a weird thing. Huh. So in Love2d, you can actually make a... Wait. I'm not sure. Holding up a question hand emoji gesture. Okay. Code. Jump height. Player.y. Player.start jump. Player jumping. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. Ooh. If the player start jump minus player.y. So when it started the jump space, then turn it on. Okay. Jumping equals true. Jumping. Alright, let's jump it. If jumping. Oh, hey Boba. Hey Boba, how you doing? How you doing? So this cat. Alright. So there's a bunch of stuff. Jumping equals true. If jump in, then so it turns it on, turns it off. Oh wait, is there and? Alright, I'm gonna add and. Two ands? And. Okay, I don't know all this. Oh, Poopa, what are you doing? What are you doing? Poopa. Boba, you're so silly. I'm gonna pet Boba. Oh no, he went away. This is the saddest moment in all history. So, player.y equals 0. No. Okay. Ground is that. Jumping, can I? Jumping equals false. Jumping dot can I equals false. If A is less than else. Else, if it's bigger, well, no. If it's not, it's gonna apply no force. But it's also if it's also gonna set jumping dot can I equals true. And how do you do and? Okay. Okay. So next. While, oops, darn it, no. If then else, no. Control structures, blah. Structures. If then else. While, I don't need while loops or repeat loops. Numeric for. Generic for? What? Alright, this is too much. If jumping, comma, no, I got, second one of the day. I actually didn't, no, it's the second one because I didn't do the last one. Lua and Lua and operator. Print 4 and 5. Nil and 3. Okay, that doesn't really, if not x, then x equals b. Not okay. Hello world. Hello world. Wait a minute. Logical operations. Alright, so and exists. And jumping dot can I so it always updates if it's jumping dot can I but yeah jumping dot can I equals false. So and that jumping equals true. Wait a minute. Hold up. If jumping, then turn itself off. Jumping dot can I equals this. So it's kind of a flip-flop. So it takes a long one to a short thing. A constant stream into a pulse. So if jumping, then jumping equals true. If jumping jumping equals false. But jumping can I is not really. So jumping equals false, then make go up. Alright, so I want to jump for 200. Okay. Alright, so this one, if it's that, and so if that and that is so it's gonna check if it's no jumping. No, wait, no. Jump. All right, so and okay, jumping can I? So it's gonna be true if that, but not when it's currently. Oh, I know a solution. Jumping equals false. If A is less than 200, then it's gonna do jumping is less than, so it's gonna be a while loop? Wait, no, while. While it's that, then it's gonna do A equals A plus, no, minus delta time times 400. Boom. So now it's that. Oh, minus. So then that is going on, and so I'm gonna test this out. Control S, and come on, don't give me an error. We got but where? Oh, 10. And can't work. So I wasn't specific enough. And operator for ifs. So condition 1 and what? That didn't do anything. Oh, so I don't need this at all. Everything else worked. So never mind. There's still a second Google search on the table. Do. Expected near that. Oh. Do and done. Oh. End. Control S and run. Jumping. Attempt to index that. Okay. Number 7. Can I? Jump. Alright, gotta minus that jumping dot, can I? It's not supposed to do that. Alright, boom, it's fixed. Oh, boom. What did I do wrong? If jumping equals true, can I print okay. So jumping can I? If I'm jumping, then jumping equals false. While A is smaller than 200. So currently, it's way bigger than 200. Okay. It's supposed to go up. I have to go to the bathroom. Alright, I'm back. So, So, while I'm just jumping, having a good time jumping, it's gonna set jumping to false. Nope, jumping will only be false when it's there. So, while it's under 2000 and jumping equals true. True. Do that. Boom. Jumping, so jumping equals false, but as soon as if A equals $585. That. Alright. I'm doing it. What about 286? Because while it's less, it kind of can be that and stuff. But, all right, boom. Wait, I don't need that at all. Oh, because I can still just make a Flappy Bird clone either way. Jumping equals true. Okay. We don't need jumping at all because this is supposed to be a Flappy Bird clone, kind of. Then it's gonna set it to that. Can we have while loops and that stuff? So jumping equals true while it's less than, and jumping. Still need jumping. We don't need this at all. Jumping, can I? No. Well, it's all true. You don't need, can I? So, okay, now it should work. Okay. Can you have while loops and update? Alright, time for the real, true second Google search. No, wait. So, if jumping is true, jumping is true. Wait. Oh. Jumping always is true, actually. Jumping equals true. Wow, and it's jumping. And it's jumping. And then at the very end, well, okay. B is equal to, alright, so, well, B is equal to that stuff. B is not changing, it's a constant. B equals A plus 200. Alright, so B, wait, I gotta think. So B, well, no, A is 300. B is 200, wait. B is A plus 200. So it's changing. So A is just being constantly updated as if it was. Wait. If this is where jumping can I makes a return. equals true. Actually, no. So it's going up. B is alright, make it A. Control S. Oh wait, oh, it's gone. Space. Can I do space? Alright, finally, it's time for the second true Google search. love2d jumping. How does it work? Okay. Wait. Jumping help. So player dot start jump minus player dot x equals player dot x plus whatever that is. X velocity times delta time. Same for y. Player dot if it's jump. There's not jumping. It's gonna make it go down. Player dot start jump minus player dot y. Wait, what? Player dot jump height is small. Okay, if player is what? I don't make a constant while loop. If player dot start jump. Up. So jumping help. Player dot y is less than 0. Then city. That makes you always have to jump. So if okay, no need for this. If space and jumping, if you detect the space, jumping equals true. So never mind, I still need that. If jumping equals true. Alright, if jumping is true. So it's always going down, jump, and not jumping. And if it's not jumping, so jumping equals true, then then okay. Alright, and if jumping is true, then A equals A minus dt times 400. Then end for end. Okay. What this should do is make it so if I equals true. Boom. Alright, boom. Oh, hey, nice. It works. Cancels each other out. If it's more than the G goes A, B equals A plus 200. So it's A plus 200. So it starts like that, but and jumping equals true, and A is equal and not A equal B. So it's gonna say space jumping equals true. Then how do I do this? B equals A plus 200. So that happened that's calculated, and it's never calculated again. If A equals B, if it's not, it's gonna do that, making it go up. That seems like good enough code. Oh shoot. Did I break something? 200. Then if A ever is B, then it's gonna say jumping equals false. End. Oh my god. End. Error? Darn it! Oh my god. So, what is making it freeze? Is them canceling each other out? So, this isn't going anywhere, it seems like. So, jumping equals false. So, B is equal to A plus 200. So, if as soon as it's checked, B equals A plus 200. That makes sense. So I'm gonna add brackets. Brackets. Because I think it might be like, ah. So it's going up. Much faster than it's going down. Should be good equals false. So apparently my jumping thing is wrong. Jumping is true and not A equals B. Then it's gonna apply a force to it. Alright, I'm gonna do some cuts. Never actually have to say something equals something else. Boom, frozen. So, as soon as, oh, minus, it has to be minus. It's the other way around. Slimy. Ah. So, I was wrong. Alright, I'm not going to touch anything. Oh, hey, nothing happened. Minus 200, it's not doing anything. Okay, plus 200. 0. It's going to be plus. Alright. Control S. Error. Expected then. Where is it? 17 of jumping and so those equals. Darn it. So I was wrong. Oh, one. Oh, did not do it. Why? Boom. But I never do that. That always happens. What's in chat? Nothing. Oh, that's so awesome. Good job. Thanks. So, gonna remove all of this. I'm gonna hope. Nothing. Still nothing. Minus. Okay, we're not gonna have any of this. We're just gonna have simple 1 minus 2. Like that. Let's see it. Still nothing. Okay. It's been an hour trying to fix this. Okay. if space is pressed, if that's pressed, it's gonna do that. And it's gonna see that. It's gonna make B equals A plus 200. Which is our jump height. Jumping equals true. No, we don't need that. We don't need that. You don't need that at all. Now, it does nothing. Okay. Now, when it's space, it's gonna be. Okay, it looks like A equals B. Then. Right, boom, that happens. Always have a constant. How to implement gravity. And platformer gravity. Player X, Y, gravity equals pixels per second square. Wait. Velocity, I think velocity on the Y equals player dot it plus player dot gravity times dt. So it's always doing that times dt, obviously. Now y equals player dot y plus velocity. So velocity equals velocity plus player gravity. VC equals 9.81, I guess. Alright. VC, okay. VC equals VC plus. Oh wait, no, it should be 0. VC plus 9.8. No, 9.8.1. Oh no, not that. 9.81. A equals A plus VC. Okay. So, where's this going? Let's see. Where is it? So it should be working. So why isn't it? Where is it? Times dt. Okay, wait. Apply gravity and stuff. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Alright. I am a bit hungry. Actually, wait. What? What? Platform or gravity? 1 second. Actually, no. No. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna remove this. It's gonna be 1. No, 1. It's gonna go down and stuff. Actually, no. If it's equal else. No. Then A equals. A is set to 5, 8, 5. Boom. See, save and cities. VC VC equals negative 1. This should, in theory, error. Push, pop, push. Nope. Gotta find that. And oh wait. Why did it go down so fast? love2d, let's see. Alright, love.graphics.print. I'm gonna print B at 0, 0. Wait. Equals VC minus 1. Minus 2. So minus is 2 each time. And A equals B. Not. Okay, let's see, and if this is it, that means that today's over. Today's thing is over. What? Huh? Oh, it's still minus. That's what the problem was. There we I'm tired. Well, I'm not tired. I just want to get something. 0, then it's gonna be 300. If A equals B, then VC is equal to 1. N. Alright, let's see if this works. Let's see the problem. That's the problem. Okay. Jumping equals truth. Jumping and stuff is that and that. I don't need this. Any time, it's gonna be equal to this. This is gonna happen no matter what. Nice. Nice. Okay, so this is the thing. We did it. A equals B. Then set VC to 1. Maybe, what if we tried at the end? Okay. Alright. Should go down. Oh yeah, jumping equals false. I almost forgot to have that. I did it! I did it, Mom!
Wow!
I made jumping.
That's amazing. Yeah.
Oh, it was actually right now. The stopping point
Oh,
was
perfect.
right now. So I'm ready to do it. And
Say thanks.
goodbye. Thanks.